So we are given log 3 base 2 equal to x and log 5 base 2 equal to y. So log 7.5 we can write as 15 by 2. 15 half. Half of 15 is 7.5. That's why I am writing 7.5 as 15 by 2 base 2. Log 15 by 2 you can write as log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So by using this logarithmic formula, log m by n to the base a equal to log m base a minus log n base a. So by using this logarithmic identity, we are expanding this log 15 by 2 base 2 as log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 15 base 2 already you are finding the solution of this log 15 base 2 in first Roman. That value is x plus y minus log 2 base 2 value is 1 because log a base a equal to 1. Next, third one. Log 60 base 2. 60 base 2. Now, to expand this, you have to find prime factorization of 60. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are. Now, this you can write log 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. Now, for this, when you expand this one, log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. So using which identity, which logarithmic law? We are using here log x y z base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. So using this law of logarithm, we are expanding this here. Now what is this? Is again in the form of log a power m base a, which is equal to 2 plus log 3 base 2 value is x. They gave log 5 base 2 they gave as y. Here this value how 2 is log a power m base a equal to m. So by using this law of logarithm, log 2 square base 2 equal to 2. Now this value is log 60 base 2 is 2 plus x plus y. Next one. Fourth one. Log 6750. Log 6750 base 2. Again you have to prime factorize 6750. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are with 5. Or with 3. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Again, the 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are. Again with 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. Again with 5. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are. Now prime factorization of 6750 base 2. 2 into 3 power 3 into 5 power 3 base 2. Now expand form of this logarithmic function. Log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 5, 3 cube base 5, base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. So which law of logarithm we are using here? Log xyz base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. So using this law of logarithm, we are expanding this logarithmic function 2 log 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube as log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1 plus log 3 cube base 2 equal to 3 into log 3 base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2 is 3 into log 5 base 2. Since which laws we are using? log a base a equal to 1. By using this law, we are proving log 2 base 2 as 1. Again, log a power m base b equal to m into log a base b. So this is in the form of log a power m base b. By using that formula, you are using m into log a base b. We are expressing log 3 base 2, log 3 cube base 2 as 3 into log 3 base 2 plus similarly log 5 cube base 2 as 3 into log 5 base 2. Here 1 plus 3 into log 3 base 2 they gave as x plus log 5 base 2 they gave as y. So this we are expressing now as log 6750 base 2 equal to, in terms of x and y, we are expressing as 1 plus 3x plus 3y. So this is about the following. Expand. First one, log 1000. We have to expand log 1000. So to expand this one, first you have to prime factorize 1000. So with 2, when you divide in 2 500s, 2 250s, 2 125s, 5 25s, 5 5s. So 1000 we are expressing as log 2 cube into 5 cube. Now this is in the form of log mn. Log mn equal to log m plus log n. So using which law of logarithm? Log mn equal to log m plus log n. Now log 2 cube equal to 3 into log 2 plus log 5 cube equal to 3 into log 5. So this is by using which law? Log a power m equal to m into log a. So using this law we are expanding this. Using this law we are expanding this. Now next one, log 128 by 625. Second one, log 128 by 625. Now this is in the form of log x by y. So log 128 by 625 equal to log 128 minus log 625. Since log m by n equal to log m minus log n. Now 128, when you factorize 128, log 128 equal to 128, 2 64s, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 4, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Log 2 power 7 minus log 625 is 5 power 4. Again this you can express as 7 into log 2 minus 4 into log 5. So by using which law of logarithm? By using this one, log a power m equal to m into log a. So log a power m equal to m into log a. Now log 2 power 7 becomes 7 into log. Similarly log 5 power 4 becomes 4 into log 5. Next third one, log x square, log x square y cube z power 4. This one also, by using which law? First you have to expand log x square plus log y cube plus log z cube. So using log a b c equal to log a plus log b plus log c. So using this law of logarithm, we are expanding log x square y cube z power 4 as log x square plus log y cube plus log z. Again this you can write 2 into log x plus 3 into log y plus 3 into log z by using log a power m equal to m into log a. So log x square equal to 2 into log x plus log y cube equal to 3 into log y plus log z cube equal to 3 into log z by using this law of logarithm, log a power m equal to m into log a. So while expanding this logarithm into different terms, which law we are using, that law also we have to mention in the brackets. Then only you will get the full marks. Next one, fourth one. Log p square q cube by r equal to log p square q cube minus log r. Which law we are using? Log m by n equal to log m minus log n. So by using this law, log m by n equal to log m minus log n. Log p square q cube by r equal to log p square q cube minus log r. Again this we have to expand like this. Log p square plus log q cube minus log r. This by using log mn equal to log m plus log n. So by using this law we are expanding log p square q cube as log p square plus log q cube. Again this you can write log p square equal to 2 log p plus log q cube as 3 log q minus log r. By using the law of log a power m equal to m into log a. So log a power m we are expressing as m into log a. Therefore log p square you can express as 2 into log p. Log q cube you can express as 3 into log q. So this is the expand form of log p square q cube by r. Sorry, fifth one. Log square root of x cube by y square. Now what is log exponential square root of a? Square root of a exponential form is a power 1 by 2. Now this you can express as log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. This you can express as 1 by 2 into log x cube by y square. Since log a power m equal to m into log a. Now 1 by 2 into, again this is in the form of log m by n. Log m by n means, here we written that formula log m minus log n. So log x cube minus log y square. Since which formula you are using? Log m by n equal to log m minus log n. Now again this you can express as 1 by 2 into log x cube we can write 3 log x minus log y square you can write 2 log y. Since log a power m equal to m into log a. So using this law of logarithm you can express log x cube as 3 log x, log y square as 2 log y. Now multiplying these two terms with 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into 2, 1 log y. So this is the expand form of log root x cube by y square. This is about fourth row. Next row. X square plus y square equal to 25xy. Then prove that two log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So they gave x square plus y square equal to 25xy. Then you have to prove 2 log of x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. For this, what is the algebraic identity in a plus b whole square in terms of x and y? X plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So to express this x square plus y square in terms of x plus y whole square, we are here 2xy is not there. That's why both sides we are adding, given x square plus y square equal to 25xy. Now adding 2xy on both sides, because to get left hand side is a perfect square. To make left hand side expression as a perfect square, we are adding both sides with 2xy. Adding 2xy on both sides. X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 25xy plus 2xy. Now x square plus y square plus 2xy is x plus y whole square equal to 27xy. 25xy, 22xy. Both are like terms. Adding these two, 25xy plus 2xy, 27xy. Now applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. Log x plus y whole square. Log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. Log x plus y whole square equal to 2 log x plus y equal to, expanding this, log 27 plus log x plus log y. 27 you can write 3 cube. Therefore 2 log x plus y equal to log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Again log 3 cube we can write 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Therefore 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So once again I am explaining this one. They gave x square plus y square equal to 25xy. To make left hand expression as a perfect square, we are adding both sides 2xy on both sides. Now x square plus y square plus 2xy becomes x plus y whole square equal to 25xy plus 2xy, 27xy. Now applying log on both sides, log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. Log x plus y whole square is 2 log x plus y equal to, expanding this logarithmic function, log 27 plus log x plus log y. 27 you can write 3 cube. Now log 3 cube we can write 3 log 3. Now therefore 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Next, y by 3 equal to, if log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. So what is the condition they give? Log given log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. So when both sides the functions are in logarithmic form, you can remove log, but here it is not in logarithmic form completely. So to make this in logarithmic form, so what is log x plus log y? Log xy, 1 by 2 log xy. Again this you can write log xy whole power 1 by 2, because m into log a you can write log a power m. So by using this law of logarithm, 1 by 2 log xy you can write as log xy power 1 by 2. What is the left hand side? Log x plus y by 3. Left hand side is the function like this, log of some value. Right hand side log of another value. Now removing log on both sides. removing log on both sides. So just we are removing and we are equating these values. Removing log means don't make cancellation these two. Just you have to equate the values of these logarithmic functions. That's all. Removing log on both sides. X plus y by 3 equal to xy power 1 by 2. So to remove this power 1 by 2, so you have to square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So x plus y by 3 whole square equal to xy power 1 by 2 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. X plus y by 3 whole square means x plus y whole square by 3 square value is 9 equal to xy. Now cross multiplying these two, x plus y whole square equal to 9xy. Now what is x plus y whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. These two are like terms. That's why transposing 2xy to the right side, x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. Now x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy, 7xy. Now dividing with xy on both sides. What is the first term in the left hand side? X square. X square by xy